Hello everyone, Sometimes Programmer here. In this video I will share to you about how to install VPCS in your GNS 3. What is VPCS? In my opinion, VPCS is a virtual PC. It's just a PC. It's just a virtual PC that we can only type some commands. For me, it's very useful for testing my topology, because when I make a topology, I cannot use so much template like Fedora 35 made, like this one. I cannot use this so much because my PC has low spec, and if I put a lot of template like Fedora 35 made, my PC will run very slow and maybe I need to restart my PC because of not running well. So if my need is just for testing the IP or ping the another virtual PC or ping another template like Fedora 35 made, I can use this VPCS. Okay, let's try this VPCS. So when I click start, there's an error. We need to add this VPCS. When I was troubleshooting this error, I found that there's a COPR repo that we can use for installing the VPCS. It's called the Grove VPCS. We can use this for the easiest way to install the VPCS. Just like the other repo, we need to enable this repo before we can install the VPCS. Let's open the terminal. And I will copy this command and I will paste in this terminal. Execute. Oops, we need the sudo. Let's check our repo list. So the Grove VPCS repository already enabled. We just need to search the VPCS package. This is the result. We found the VPCS package, so we can install the VPCS. In here you can read that COPR repo for VPCS owned by the Grove, and when I did some browsing, I found this blog, and there's a step for installing the VPCS. Maybe this person, Svetan Groves, I don't know how to say this. Svetan Grove is the maintainer of this COPR repo. Maybe it's my opinion, because I think this name is the same like this, like in this COPR name, the Grove. Okay, maybe you can tell me if you have another opinion. And thank you for this COPR repo, the Grove VPCS, because I can install the VPCS easier. Okay, after the installation, we can go to the GNS3. I will delete first. Okay, let's try again. Is there any error? There's no error. And if we want to access this VPCS, we need to go to the console. It's different with this Fedora 35 Mate. If we add this template, we can click start and a window will appear, and we can access this Fedora 35 from that window, but it's different with the VPCS. If we click start, there's nothing, and we need to click the console. So there's another error. I think this GNS3 needs a package named xterm. So we go to the terminal. We can find the xterm package. So there's a package named xterm, terminal emulator for the X Windows system. We will try to install this. Okay, the installation is finished. We can go to the GNS3. I will delete this. And we will try again the console. So this is the VPCS console. We can do some commands from this console. Just type help, and there are some commands that we can use. For example, I want to check the IP of this VPCS. You can see that VPCS is not connected to anything. So we can type this one, DHCP. Wait. Wait, I need to zoom so you can see clearly, but I don't know how. I think there's no zoom option, so you can try yourself. Just type help and the comments will appear. So we will try to check the IP address. Just type DHCP. Cannot find DHCP server because the VPCS is not connected to anything. Okay, I will delete this VPCS. We will try to make a topology and we will try to run the VPCS inside that topology. The first thing to do, we need a router. So I will use this pfSense as our router, and we need an Ethernet switch. And then we need the VPCS, and I will use this Fedora 35. Let's connect the router to the switch. One more thing, we need the NAT. So the router will connect to the internet through the NAT, and then connect this Fedora and the VPCS. Okay, done. We will try start console. DHCP. So there's no IP, and then we will start our pfSense. In the previous video, I already shared about how to install pfSense in our VirtualBox, and I already shared about how to add a new template from the VM in VirtualBox into the JNS3. You can find the link on your top right of your screen. I already added cards in the top right of the screen. You can find the link in there. Okay, so the pfSense is running. We will try again the console. Enter DHCP. You can see that this VPCS has 192.168 168.1.101. So we will try to ping the google.com. We can ping the google.com. So this topology is running well, and we will try to start this Fedora. So instead I use another VM, I use VPCS because my computer will run properly when I use VPCS, because my computer has low spec. Okay everyone, this is the Fedora. We will try to access the pfSense from here. But before that, we will check the IP. So the Fedora's IP is 1.100. We will try to ping the Fedora. 192.168.1.100. So from the VPCS I can ping the Fedora. Okay, let's check the pfSense. So this is the pfSense dashboard. I will check the DHCP. This is the VPCS IP, and this is the Fedora's IP. So this is the status. The Fedora is online, VPCS 1 online, and the PC2 is offline. So I will delete the list. I will try to add another VPCS. Wait. DHCP. So much window, so it's confusing. It's very confusing for me. DHCP. 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 Okay, let's check. PC1 is 101. This is PC1 active, and the PC2 is online and active. I don't know why the status is offline. How to clean the console? I think there's no command for cleaning the console. I will refresh. Now online. Now the status is online. I don't know why, but it's online now. Okay. I think this VPCS is very useful for us when we need more than one virtual PC and we only need to ping or do the DHCP things like checking the IP address or something. We can use this VPCS. If you have a good computer, maybe you can just add more template like this Fedora Mate. For me, it will not necessary if we just only need the template just for check the DHCP IP address or just for ping each other. It's for me, VPCS is good to do that things. Okay everyone, I think this is the end of my video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.